Chamber of Commerce. Pat Garrett, Wyatt Earp, Calamity Jane. It'd be cool if they were all buried here, but they're not though. Here's Doc Holliday and Wes Harden. Pretty cool. Oh, here's another one. Barboncito. Oh, and Ganado Mucho. Come on. Cool paintings. Well, I hope it's not too windy where you can't hear anything, but okay, we'll get these other stones on the way out. Oh, that's cool. Joe Texas Red Grant. Is the one that put Billy the Kid down. Lucian. Hope you can read about that. It looks kind of dark on here, but pretty sure you can. Maxwell. Here. So I was talking about these over here, but you know, some of them are just like rocks, like these, but not very much information on them. He died in 1940, but look at that. That's an old style gravestone. A lot of intricate little stuff in the top there too. Nice. Let's see who this one is. The Sandovals. I don't know who they are, but theirs is all concreted in here. There we go. If you can see it. There you go. Silvas, the Silva family. Okay. Oh, this one had a Purple Heart. This one was a veteran. Luciano Frank Silva, PFC, U.S. Marine Corps, 2004. Thank you. Oh, look at this. Jesus Silva, friend and pallbearer to Billy the Kid. Cool. I'll just get this over here so you can read it real quick. And over here is what we're coming for. All this way out of my route just to come see this, but it's really a shame that it has to be caged in and stuff, because I guess people wanted to steal it and stuff. But here we go. Let me see. There we go. What's a good storyboard? Yuki's reading it. I forgot to bring my feathers, but Yuki has found a rose right there in front. Come here, Yuki, leave that alone. But that's pretty nice. Somebody putting a rose there. Let me see. I believe the story is somebody stole his headstone one time. Let's do a quick walk around again. Oh, that's cool. Look at this. Right here, this gravesite, and all these bird nests in the tree. Here we go. Here's the story of it. Come on, you. Watch out. There we go. In case they want to read it. Finally, I found something that's dog friendly, huh? Actually, this is a pretty cool little site to be buried. Oh, here's Charles Boudry, unlucky friend to Billy the Kid. Cool. But this is very cool here because it's totally surrounded by walls and stuff. And look, it's beautiful. Look at that sky. And next door is the museum. I don't know what time they open, but I'm sure you can't take a dog in there. I don't know what that one in the corner is. I couldn't see any detail on it, so they might just put it there because it was broken or something. Okay, some water, Yuki. We'll get some water in a minute, okay? Oh yeah, here's, it says, donated by Erickson Memorial Company, Denver, Colorado. That's nice. Come on. Lucien Bonaparte Maxwell. Pretty cool. All right. There he is, Billy the Kid over there. Awesome. Awesomeness. Christian Palmer. 1900 to 1902. I was a little kid, man.